Goodness be. Okay, so we are back. We are back. What were we doing when we left? Again, I never know because I just sit down and I start recording sometimes and it'd be all over the place. Sometimes it'd be the same day, sometimes it'd be different days, sometimes it'd be weeks later. But nevertheless, we are here. I know we had built a greenhouse for our things so they could be sheltered on our farm, and I built a pond so we could fish. Because as I said, I know I said last video, I watched a lady build like this greenhouse slash farmhouse type thing, like farm to table house. And I want to download that, but I had to live in Hanford on Bagley, and I kind of wanted to be true to my story and what I built. So, but I did say her name started with an M. It started with a K. Kikoi Builds. Really, her video was really good. I didn't get to link her thing, but I did put a picture of like her icon so you could search. And it's for, I think she said the challenge was one sim, one challenge, or one sim, one household, something like that. But she did the farm to table house, and it's so beautiful. And she gave me some inspiration. So like the greenhouse came from her, and then the pond came from her, which I wanna move this right quick. Take. Alright, let me turn my BB move objects on. BB.move objects. Turn that on and put it right about there and move this one here. And then hers was in the thing, so I should be able to fish. Although it is winter, so yeah. Alright. It is currently nighttime, I believe. Yeah, nighttime. And she needs to go to sleep. Well, it's about to be. Well, it is nighttime, but it's midnight. So let's get her a little bit of sleep, and then we'll get back up to doing more farm chores because we're waiting on Saturday. So tomorrow is Saturday because we need to go to a competition. So we're gonna be doing Saturdays until we win a competition. And I still didn't plant. Where my plantains go? Purchase. What did that say? Go back. That says what? Purchase what? Purchase plant fairy seedling. Oh, I don't know what that is, but okay. We need to did she put it back in her inventory? TV season was premiere. Oh, okay. Sure. I don't know how she could sell bad food, but, and I think I sold her milk instead of her bad food. My game is glitching. Weird. I wanted to. Where is it? Where is it? Did I lose it? I had plantains I wanted to. Can I move this in? And I know you ain't gonna sleep long, but you're gonna have to I think I sold them too. Dang. Shoot. Sage, mandrake, basil. Okay, so I did also find out from that video that I need to get married again. Why? I'm glad you asked. I need to put somebody in the eco-friendly career where I could make cruelty-free meat, but it can't be her because she can't have a job. So, I'm gonna be going through her relationships and see if I can get somebody just to marry, and it could be male or female. I'm not picky. Maybe I can bring her husband. How can I bring her husband back to life without convinced to come over? I don't want to bring him back to life like he eat ambrosia. Can he live as a ghost? I didn't have the life and death pack when he passed away. Okay, get up. Dana Lou will be right over. So that is her husband who passed away. And I want to know if I can add him to the household as a ghost. And I think my game, oh my God, please don't be frozen. I think my game just froze. Oh, okay. So it didn't. So one thing I'm going to do right now. Oh my God, it did it again. Okay, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. I'm going to give it like 2 minutes. And if you hear me slurping, I'm sorry, I'm drinking tea. I'm a tea drinker now. I just drink tea all day long. It's hot right now, so I can't drink it. Right now I have peppermint. I have the organic triple mint peppermint, which helps my digestion. And then, because I wanted some flavor, I added the country peach passion herbal tea. Okay, a few more seconds. Please, 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 please don't be frozen. Oh my goodness, I think it's frozen. Few more seconds. I really think it's froze. What is that? Alt 4 to save it while it's frozen. Sometimes that works for me. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, I gave it a minute and 30 seconds. Alt F4. No. Okay. Yep. All right. So we will be back. I will be right back. It'll be like a half a second for you. Give me a minute. Back again. Guess who's back? Tell a friend. I don't know the lyrics, but we are back. So while I was loading in, I was looking at these roofs. They're like really, really tall for some reason. So we're gonna bring them down some. I just felt like they were too high. Okay, it was just out there for some reason. Pull it in some. And again, I am not a builder, y'all, so don't be talking about me. Okay. Alright, so we are going to. We are closing in on. There's the plantain. I knew they were somewhere. What was I saying? Oh, we are getting close to finishing our legacy, okay? Did I not say this last time I was there? Because I could have sworn I brought this in. I could have sworn I had already did that. Alright, so she is tired. I thought she was asleep. Okay. Okay, we're gonna give you like an hour. Okay. And then we're gonna try to plant this again. I feel like we need some lights. Isn't there some lights I can use that'll help my greenhouse? I never looked this stuff up until I actually get in game and be thinking of stuff. Okay. Solar wall light from Greenhouse Haven Kit, hanging string lights. I'm not talking about aesthetic, I'm talking about to help with growing. To help with growing. For functional greenhouse growing systems, utilize solar wall light from Greenhouse Haven Kit, which boosts plant growth and increases plant vitality. Okay. So let's do that. Build up. Solar wall light. It's called the solar wall light. Solar wall lights. And did not find it. I thought I had Greenhouse Haven Kit. Text. Greenhouse Haven Kit. Greenhouse. I don't got it. And it's a kit. Ugh. I'm not buying kits because we now have the microwave. Oh well. Back to live mode. How long is it gonna take you to get this up some? We need oh. It was some stuff. I am doing I had the simple living thing, so I need to get more appliances for in-house, like a pancake maker, so I can make more stuff. And I need to buy more bees and more hives. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna buy more bees. And more like cricket things, because apparently I'm not living up to my best, my potential. I only have one of everything. Let's put the bees outside because I don't want to get stung. And then what is this called? Copy. Because I need apparently to be doing more things. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't have enough stuff apparently. Can I move this over here? Is it gonna affect that it's over here? Yeah, okay. We'll do it like that. So we have beetles in here. And let's put some crickets. Farm crickets. And then clean this out because it's stinking apparently. Clean shed. And then I need to put on my beekeeper. Why they're upset? And then, oh, okay. There's nothing in there. I can take that off. Did you clean it out? Clean shed. Why can't you clean the shed? Okay. Oh, and we're gonna try to plant this. Plant. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Yes. She found some more and it still didn't work. Open place before planting. Okay, whatever. Alright. Let's tend to garden. What was we waiting on again? Tomorrow. Waiting on tomorrow. competition. And what I think we was gonna have a chicken. Okay, so I want to look up chicken competition. Competition. What do I need to take? Ensure your chicken is happy, clean, and has high friendship level with your Sims. Click on the chicken before the flare and put inventory. So I gotta put the chicken in the inventory. Okay, so I need to be befriending my chickens. Right click. Use the stalls in the tent of the fairgrounds to enter your chicken or egg from 15:30. So that's 2:30. Early around. Okay. I gotta win. I didn't say I gotta win first. Okay, so collect eggs. And I want to clean coop. And then scatter. I want to become friends with name white hen. She's white, so let's name her Dove. I love how we named her after another animal. Okay, Dove. I want to be friends with Dove because I'm gonna take Dove with me. Okay. Socialize. Play with Dove. Alright, Dove, it's all about you today. Feed Dove. Smother Dove with love. Where you going, Dove? Come here, girl. I'm trying to befriend you. Come on. Okay. Oh well, all the chickens like her now. No, I don't want to scare her. I want to be nice to her. Oh, look at her. That's so cute. Y'all so cute. I think Dove likes that. Oh, yeah, okay. No, we're trying to become friends. Okay, where you going? Where you going? You going to play with her all the way over there? Girl, where's your mom with no clothes on? Jesus. Lori's off to school. She going to school. Okay. I'm trying to become best friends with Dove before tomorrow. Yes. I'm sorry. I don't mean to. We getting up there though. Okay, another question. How do you put Dove in the what does that mean? What does it mean when that ring? Do y'all know? I need to get another okay. Click on the chicken before the fair and select put in inventory. I don't know how to do that. Pet Dove enthusiasm. Actions. I don't know how to put her in my inventory. I guess I'll wait till tomorrow. It don't start till 2:30. Smother Dove with love. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it at that because I don't have to. I don't have to necessarily win first place. And I don't know how to put the chicken in my inventory. Somebody said they had a golden hen, perfect health, full, good social, everything perfect, and you maxed out relationship and I came back. Egg competition, which I was on submission and I didn't win that. There's literally nothing to do once you submitted the entry. The whole event should take about 4 hours and let me go to 10. I actually love the extra time I bring a vendor table with me and set up my home. Ooh. Okay, so Laurent is in class All-Star today and he gets to be interviewed by the entire class. He's feeling nervous and kind of excited, but someone asks, how come you always get A's? Should he try for something witty or just be real like the teacher said? Be real, do your work. Laurent shrugs, squirms, and then tells the truth. I'm smart. He wasn't trying to be funny, but the laughter feels friendly enough. One question down, 22 more to go. Laurent has definitely got this. I know that's right, son. We got this. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put everything in our inventory, and then I am gonna buy the vendor's table for when I go to the thing. Okay. What I am gonna do also is see if I can get more stuff planted because I need. Hey, Cal. You know what, Cal? Are you married? Because I need a new husband. It's good to hear your voice. I wanted to ask you if you know the Robin. No, you should come over here, Cal. All right, let's do that. Let's because we need somebody that is you know what? It doesn't have to be a male either. Let's see who we got at least a romance bar in. Dana. Oh, her husband. Can I make him a ghost? Oh, damn. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to go because he did. Okay, how did he die? This is her husband, y'all. Death by anger. But he really died because the attorney that was coming to see them to set their stuff up came and did like a whole drive-by. I'm gonna see if I can move him back into Lord, it took me all the way out. Back into their household. I'm doing all of this and it ain't saved. Jesus. I want to move him back into the household because I need to get him a part of the something about the civic designer career so we can make fake meat. Oh, is it still snowing? I think it's still snowing. I want to see if I can fish. Oh my God, game, please don't act up because I haven't saved. And I need you to save. Okay, so before I do anything, save. Save, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. So I do need to get my husband over here. While I do that, I want to see if I could fish. I forgot I had clothes out over here. Let's see what they look like. Why it won't let me? Okay. Stock pond with fish. Ooh. Okay, I hope I did that. And now can I fish? Go fishing. Cannot fish and such extremes. Okay. Back on another note, Dana. Why isn't this your husband? Okay. Convinced to come over. And maybe we can get married again. I don't know how he's still here and he's dead. I don't know. This is weird to me. Let's see if he gonna pop up. Dana, where are you? Dana. Oh, there he is. Pause. Okay. So, this is her dead husband. I don't know how he's still alive. More choices. Actions. Romance. Okay, now I don't want to do all of that. I want to see if we can get back married. Because my friend, he passed away. And he should be gone. I mean, he is your husband. He's already a romantic partner. That... Okay. More choices. Relationship. Can only marry ghosts in your household. Okay, so should I ask him to come to the house? I mean, move in? Give residents keys. This is... Okay. Neilani's passed away? Hold up. How did Neilani pass away? I didn't friends with her, but I was friends with her in another save, and she passed away in this save. That's so sad. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Chat with Dana. Okay. For a week now, a kid has been taking Lauren's chips, and today took her brownie. It's time for Lauren to take back and stand the way she sees there are two choices, kid. Public shame or private? Public shaming? It's in your shouts on me. The Monty Creeks Walter School amusement. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. We don't do that. They'll be glad she ain't fight you. Why you sad, bro? I need more choices. Ask Ghost for help. No. I don't know why we gotta get married, and we are already married. So can I ask him to move in? Invite better friends. Okay, I'm gonna cheat this because I'm gonna cheat the friendship to 100. And then I'm gonna see if I can invite him to move in with us. And then I guess we get remarried. I don't know. What choices? Invite to household. Mind y'all, this is my husband. He is literally my husband, and I don't know why I gotta invite him to live somewhere that he has lived and get remarried like he's not her husband. Do you want to move in with us as a ghost? Not you laughing. Did he accept? He turned green. I don't know what happened. Okay, I guess that means he's a part of the house. Oh, he's a ghost now. Alright, now, more choices, relationship, propose. Propose to your husband, girl. I mean, at this point, I might as well get him some ambrosia. Look at me getting married again. I guess y'all get to see it this time. Like, we got married at the Romance Festival. And, yeah. Aw, look at her kissing her ghost husband. Alright. Do you have a job? Soul's Journey. Okay. Join a career. And then she said to join the civil designer career. No, I don't want me to. Find a job. Okay. Yes, find a job. Alright. What was it? Okay, let me look it up right quick. Silver designer career. Sims. Oh, that's the name of it. I don't see it though. Oh, silver designer. Okay. Yes. All right. So hopefully it doesn't take. Y'all, please forgive me for cheating. I want to make fake meat. Okay. Make cruelty free meat. I'm gonna go all the way up to the one before. The one before the one that he gotta get. Green Technician branch. And then he gotta get to level 5. Okay, so we're gonna work to that. Level 5. Reach logic and fabrication skill. Okay, we'll work on that in a little bit. Now, back to your garden, ma'am. Look at us, married again. So beautiful. Hey, can I get a gift from one of y'all? I need a gift. Maybe if I be friendly, you'll give me a gift. Okay, stop talking to your ghost husband. Oh, okay, can't talk to him. Can you talk to him? Okay, we can't talk to neither one of them. Alright then. I don't know what I was about to do. Oh, look at my carrots. They're coming in so nicely. Carrots. Okay, so I was watching somebody's son. He was like, he got a fruit salad tree. And I think I got one of those trees because this is Grayson's carrots. So is that a fruit salad tree? Like they was talking about? I hope so. Alright, let's fertilize all of my matrices. Let's harvest. Harvest all. Yep. And then like when we go to the thing tomorrow, we can sell this stuff. Okay. Alright. And then I could evolve all. And then harvest all. Yes, girl, we getting something done. All of Asteria efforts are coalescing into a mastery perk, Space Bender. If Asteria continues, she'll be able to be in fabric reality to teleport. I don't know what's making her do that, but okay. Can he plant it? Did it work? Are you serious? Did it work? No, it didn't work. Okay. It's not the same. Ain't no way. Ma'am, ain't no way you went to school and it's stinking. Was that your brother? Somebody. What's wrong with you? Going to school and stinking. Oh, you got a gift for me? Hold up. Nuh-uh, girl. Stop all that. I think this rabbit got a gift for you. Oh. I thought he had a gift for her. Girl, go talk to that rabbit so you can get a gift. Hey, rabbit, how you doing? What kind of gifts do you like? Oh, you don't like me? Well, I need you to like me. Okay? Socialize. How do y'all travel underground? Y'all build holes and stuff? Like burrow holes? I guess we can continue to talk. Okay, we got a little bit. Can I pet you? Or are you gonna bite me? Are you gonna bite me? Are you gonna bite me? Please don't bite me. Oh, they gave me a gift. Which means I am one step closer. Hey, Dove, how you doing? Oh, no, I thought you was Dove. Okay, let's get the gift from the rabbit. Then you can talk to everybody. No. Ring the cowbell. Just unlock the cow cross-stitch pattern. Okay, thank you. Is that what you gave me? Yes, I am almost there. We don't need you in the Sims world. What? Can you like move to UFC world or something? We don't need you in the Sims world. Girl, I don't know what's up with your attitude, but you better go somewhere with that. What's going on with y'all? Please don't get attacked by the bees. They're gonna attack her, aren't they? Did they attack her? Okay. Yep. Alright. And again, we didn't get much done. Hopefully, I wanted to go to the fair for this episode. I got a good amount of stuff. Yep. I got a lot of stuff. I got like 37 carrots. That don't make no sense. Who are these people? That's her grave. Felicity. I don't know who that is. Thomas Jabari. Oh, I know who that is. He slapped my daughter. That's his grave. Oh, and that is that lady that Sims finally got rid of. Alright. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Did y'all harvest this? Harvest all. And I want to build a little basement for the wine. Because they said it harvests better. I heard that you got engaged. Thank you. I was already married. I just got engaged to the ghost him. No, you go ahead, Ryan. I don't want to go. Let's go into build mode and I'm going to build something for the wine. I don't know where I'm going to put the ladder. That's what I was about to say. Style rooms. Wine. I just want to build. I just want to put like a basement. Just the seasonal entryway. No. Hang out to dry. No. No. Private practice team. Wine vault. There's one right there. Buy one. Let's go. Let's go back here. So, right here? Yeah. Residential only. Thank you. Thank you. Door there. Let's see. Camera. So about right here. And go up, let's see. That's not bad. No, go back down. I want to move it over some. About right there. Yeah. Okay, and then we could do click on it, let me see again. Then I could do like a little ladder inside. Ladder that goes down into that room. Did you go down into the building? Where's the ladder? Where'd it go? Oh, it's probably upstairs. Where's the ladder? I lost it. Is it Alt? Control? Shift? Why can't I go downstairs? Is it? It's not working. Is that not a real ladder? What the heck? Okay, so let me go on the stairs. Stairs and ladders. Down. Here. Zoom out. Rotate. Alright, so let me see where you come down at. That's what I wanted. I technically wanted it right. Oh, you know what? Let's put you over here and sell this. Is that how I want it? Can I pull this out? And move this over. Let's move the door over here. Move this over here. Let me see how it looks upstairs. That is outside. Let's move the door back over here. There should not be a door. Here. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So let's call it quits on this episode. We got our wine cellar. We married our husband again. I know. Weird. And tomorrow we are going to the chicken farm. Yep. So come in next week and we'll be going, hopefully, not the farm, hopefully we'll be going to the fair to win a fair, a competition. Next episode is the chicken competition. I think after that is the cow competition. So that's all we have left on our aspiration, and we'll be done with generation 1. Hopefully before our children become teens, and we could be working on our greenhouse and growing our fake meat, or I'm sorry, not fake meat, cruelty-free meat. As inspired by Kiko Builds, who greenhouse is amazing. The only thing, you know what? While I'm in build mode, oh shoot, and I clicked on build mode. No. While I am in build mode, let's go get appliances for simple living. So apparently I need what pack? I know there is the ice cream maker. No. There is the waffle. There is this one, and it comes with whatever that is. What pack is that? Let's do dine out. Did I pass it? Home Chef Hustle, I think it's with that. Okay, so show me everything. Show all. Show all. Why are you not working? Show all. Okay. Let's take out dine out. There is a stand mixer. Oh, and they all can't go on the same one, can they? There is stand mixer and prep ingredients. The stand mixer is the crown jewel of any chef's kitchen. Be the hobbyist or professional, students can use it to make prep ingredients and new type of ingredients that make cooking faster and cheaper. It also helps improve the quality of a dish. You can find the stand mixer in kitchen appliances category in the build mode. Okay. Prep ingredients. I can use fresh ingredients. Of course, I want to do that because I want to only use what I grow. I'm gonna get a pizza oven. Yes. Okay. What else do we have? There's the pizza oven. But the thing is, I don't have any countertops to put this stuff on. Like, I'm running out of counter space. Because what was I saying? Oh, I'm running out of counter space. I won't have anywhere to put stuff. Can I put this both? Like, will this work if I do bb.move objects? Will it work like that? No, it still won't work like that. Okay, so maybe I don't need a pizza oven. We'll just use that stuff. Oh, and I also need a vendor's table. Okay, close out of that. Ooh, dang. I want that cookbook, but I'll come back and get it. Please don't tell me you froze. Don't freeze. Oh my goodness, I did not save. Oh, Jesus. Are you frozen? Okay. Step 1, save. And then I'm gonna buy the vendor's table and put it in my inventory for the next episode when we go and sell, because they said the thing is from 2:30 to 10 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna be gone all day. Vendor. No results. I know there's a vendor table. Let's just do vending machine. Okay. And I think it comes with the business and hobbies pack. Show all. I'll just show all. Vendor. Oop, I spelled it wrong. Vendor. Nope, still nothing. I had that table. Where did I get it from? I don't know. These are all tables. I don't know. I'm gonna find it off camera and have it. Yeah. I'll have it. I'll buy it off camera. Thank you for watching. I feel like I already said all of this. I'll see y'all on next Friday. Hopefully we'll be finally going to the competition and winning it, so I can be done with this aspiration and just work freely on my greenhouse until my children become young adults. Is it young adults or did I say teens? I think I'm gonna do young adults, because then they can go off to college and move out. Alright. See y'all. Also remember, again, if I already said it, if it does not directly affect you or you can't do nothing about it, go ahead and take a nap, friend. Take a nap. Alright. Love y'all. Holla at your girl.